Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish that has become popular worldwide, and I am grateful to have access to it in my city. Eating sushi is not only a treat for my taste buds but also a cultural experience. I love learning about the different types of fish and their preparation methods. Sushi chefs are true artists, and I have great respect for their craft. Sushi is also a great food to share with others. Whether it's a casual dinner with friends or a special occasion, sushi always brings people together. The communal nature of sushi is something that I truly appreciate. I always feel satisfied after a sushi meal, both in terms of taste and in terms of social connection. Overall, sushi is my all-time favorite food and a constant source of joy and pleasure. My favorite food is pizza. I love the combination of its crispy crust, tangy tomato sauce and gooey melted cheese. Pizza is a versatile food that can be enjoyed for any meal of the day. There is no other food I compare to the taste and smell of a freshly baked pizza. Pizza is easy to eat and share with friends and family. The best thing about pizza is that it's a food that brings people together, whether it's a quick lunch or a late-night snack. No matter how much I eat, I never fail to feel hungry when my favorite pizza is in front of me. Biryani has its origins in the Indian subcontinent and is believed to have been brought to the region by traders from the Middle East. Over time, the dish has evolved and adapted to the local cuisine, with different regions having their own unique variations of the dish. Biryani is made with a variety of ingredients, including rice, meat or fish, vegetables, and a variety of spices and herbs. Some of the most common spices used in biryani include cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger. The meat or fish is usually marinated in a mixture of yogurt and spices before being cooked with the rice. Biryani is traditionally prepared by cooking the rice and meat or fish separately before layering them in a pot and cooking them together. This allows the flavors to meld together and results in a dish that is both flavorful and comforting. Favorite food is one of the most beautiful things that all people love. Eating is not only something to satisfy hunger, but it is also a pleasure in life. A smart person is one who enjoys eating. As for the person who eats food quickly and does not focus on his taste, he does not feel the pleasure of eating. As for the favorite food, there are some foods that most people prefer. Like meat, sea fish, and some types of chicken. There are foods that are not preferred by many people, such as broccoli. But in the end we must thank God Almighty for all His blessings, and we must remember those who suffer from wars and lack of food. I will talk to you about my favorite food today. I love meats cooked in a casserole dish with vegetables. I also like the rice and the salad. As for chicken, I like other people, preferring crispy and grilled chicken. As for seafood, most people like shrimp and crab. I forgot to tell you about the sweetener. I love chocolate and oriental sweets. When Eid comes or Ramadan comes, the food is better and has a different taste. This difference is due to the presence of the whole family at the dining table. The presence of those you love around you makes the food delicious. Pizza is my favorite food, because I prepare it myself. It is easy to prepare, and it contains useful nutrients, and I can prepare it with any taste I want. I can use chicken, meat, shrimp or tuna pieces in addition to olives, ketchup and hot pepper, and at the end add mozzarella cheese, then cook it in the oven. It does not take long to prepare, so it is my favorite meal. I prefer to eat fish and it is my favorite food. Even my friends know that, and when they invite me to eat with them they order me fish. Fish is a healthy food, as it does not contain as much fat as meat and chicken, and provides us with the protein needed for the growth of the body, and it also contains calcium needed to strengthen our bones. In addition to being delicious and can be cooked in many different ways, fish is my favorite food. I like all kinds of food, but I prefer seafood. Seafood is very useful in addition to being delicious. There are many types of sea fish, shellfish, etc., and each type has a different taste. Seafood provides us with the protein needed for the growth of our bodies, and it also provides us with phosphorus, calcium and other minerals. It's a healthy food, and seafood improves memory, so it's my favorite food. Shrimp is my favorite food. I live in a coastal city and there are markets that sell fish, shrimp, crab, etc., but I prefer shrimp, especially as I cook it myself, as it does not take much time. In 5 minutes, I can prepare a delicious shrimp dish, and shrimp are of high nutritional value. In addition, it tastes very delicious and I eat a plate of tahini salad with it. This is my favorite food.